The TeraFlex 1-inch performance spacer leveling kit for the Ford Bronco is a simple yet effective way to level out the front end of your Bronco and increase the tire clearance without replacing the shocks. It will improve the stance and add clearance while keeping the factory ride quality intact. Begin by lifting the Bronco off the ground and removing the front wheels. Remove the nuts connecting the shock's lower studs to the lower control arm. Disconnect the tie rod from the knuckle. You will likely need to use a hammer to get it to come loose. Disconnect the sway bar link from the lower control arm on both sides of the vehicle. Keep this disconnected until after you have installed the spacers on both sides of the front. Remove the hub nut. Then using a non-scarring hammer, loosen the stub shaft from the knuckle. The goal is not to remove the shaft, but to push the shaft out just enough to be able to remove the shock without pulling out the inner shaft. Disconnect the upper control arm from the knuckle. This will also probably need to be hammered loose, but of course when we did the video, it just came right out. Keep the nut on a few threads to hold things together for now. Disconnect the upper control arm from the knuckle. Use a mallet to push out the shaft just a little more, but do not knock it out of the way. You just want it so it can move freely. Hang the knuckle up out of the way. Hammer the studs out of the bar pin. This is considerably easier if you use an air hammer. Just wear your safety glasses in case the stud launches out of the bar pin. Remove the upper shock nuts. You could, of course, do this earlier in the process, but we found it is easier to remove the lower end if the upper part is held in place. At this point, the entire shock assembly should be free to be removed. Place the upper spacer onto the shock with the logo pointing out. Set the lower spacer onto the control arm, as shown here. Install the shock back onto the vehicle. The fit will be a little tighter. Attach the provided hardware onto the upper studs. On the lower end, a stud plate is provided. Install it from the underside of the lower control arm through the spacer and into the bar pin on the shock. Since all these things need to line up perfectly for it to go in, you may need to use a little force. Don't worry, the studs can handle it. Install the nuts and tighten them down. In addition to making it easier to reinstall the shock, the stud plate changes the orientation of the studs to point up instead of down, preventing the studs from getting caught or hung up on rocks when driving off-road. Reconnect the upper arm to the knuckle. Reconnect the tie rod to the knuckle. Reinstall the hub nut. After you've installed the spacers on both the driver and the passenger side, reconnect the sway bar links to the lower arm. It is necessary to get in alignment after you've completed the installation of the leveling kit. Thanks for watching.